Welcome to D Knowledge Junction. Like, hype, share, and subscribe. Let's dive into the quiz. Shore Temple is located in which state? Right answer is Tamil Nadu. Which among the following lakes do not flow into the sea? Right answer is Aral Sea. Which of the following river crosses equator twice? Right answer is Congo. Which of the following regions of India is best suited to cotton cultivation? Right answer is Deccan Plateau. Which of the following rivers is located in Surat? Right answer is Tapi. Which among the following cities is nearest to the Tropic of Cancer? Right answer is Kolkata. Which of the following hill stations is referred to as Queen of Satpura? Right answer is Panchmadi. Which of the following is the closest city of the Indian mainland from Kavaratti? Right answer is Kochi. The pass located at the southern end of the Nilgiri Hills in South India is called. Right answer is the Palghat Gap. The Salal project is on the river. Right answer is Chenab. The only zone in the country that produces gold is also rich in iron is. Right answer is Southern Zone. The oldest rocks in India are reported from. Right answer is Dharwad region, Karnataka. Which of the following groups of rivers originate from the Himachal mountains? Right answer is Byas, Ravi and Chenab. Which of the following food grain crops occupies the largest part of the cropped area in India? Right answer is rice. Which of the following drainage system fall into Bay of Bengal? Right answer is both A and B. The oldest oil refinery in India is at. Right answer is Digboi, Assam. Which of the following important rivers of India does not originate from the Western Ghats? Right answer is Mahanadi. The famous lagoon lake of India is. Right answer is Chilka Lake. Which of the following passes lies in the Satluj Valley? Right answer is Shipkila. Which of the following cities lies to the westernmost longitude? Right answer is Jaipur. Duncan Passes is located between. Right answer is South and Little Andaman. The standard time of a country differs from the GMT in multiples of. Right answer is half hour. The Indian subcontinent was originally a part of. Right answer is Gondwana land. Which one of the following mountain ranges lies in India? Right answer is Pir Panjal. In terms of area, India is the largest country of the world. Right answer is 7th. India has a coastline of. Right answer is 7,500 kilometers. Which of the following cities, towns lies to the northernmost latitude? Right answer is Patna. The Andaman group and Nicobar group of islands are separated from each other by. Right answer is 10-degree channel. In which state in the Makala range situated? Right answer is Chhattisgarh. The highest Indian waterfall is. Right answer is Gersoppa. Indian Standard Time relates to. Right answer is 82.5 degree east longitude. Which one of the following is the second highest peak of the world? Right answer is K2. Loktak is a. Right answer is lake. The Thar Express goes to. Right answer is Pakistan. The southern tip of India is. Right answer is Indra Point in Nicobar Islands. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.